As I mentioned in the intro, we're actually creating two different to-do list apps. One fairly simple, and the other much more enhanced. Let me show you how each of them work so you can get a clearer picture of what's ahead. If you're the type who likes to dive right into the code, you'll find the completed projects in the Chapter 1 01_01 folder. So the basic to-do list that I now have loaded in my browser starts off with a single entry, which I can easily edit. I can also add a new item just by continuing to enter content. So I'll hit return and put down a couple of more items to get. Of course, items can be removed just by selecting and deleting. And if I want to come back later to my list, I can click Save. Let me simulate that by just clicking Refresh. And there's my list still available. Finally, if I want to start over, I'll click Clear All. Now let's take a look at the advanced to-do list. You'll notice it's set up somewhat differently. There is no initial item that acts as a placeholder. Instead, there's just a big old text field and a big old Add to List button. So when I enter an item and then click the button, my new entry will appear below. I can also enter an item, press Tab, and then hit Return or Enter. I'll scroll down a bit to see more of our list. Let me add a couple more items so you can see what else is possible. We'll call Mom, and then we'll walk the dog. Now, I can remove any item by hovering over it and clicking the red X. I can also reorder the list by dragging and dropping any entry's handle. Let's move Call Mom up to the top, followed quickly by Walking the Dog. And if I need to, I can edit any item. Items in this list are stored automatically. There's no need for a Save All link. Let me open this same page in another tab to demonstrate that. I'll copy the URL, create a new tab, and paste it in. And there's my current list. And of course, I have the Clear All feature to start fresh. So there you have it. Now that you've seen the end result, you're ready to step back for a moment to get a better sense of the HTML5 technologies at play.